If you are planning to start a business in Washington, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Washington, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Washington? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means it safeguards your personal assets from business troubles, giving you greater financial security and peace of mind. And of course, you have tax advantages. You can enjoy pass-through taxation, which helps you avoid double taxation on business income. And of course, you have a flexible management. You can choose a management structure that fits your business. And last is going to be you can maximize your profits. You can take advantage of the Washington's business-friendly tax environment, helping you keep what more of your business earns. First things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Now, your business name must be unique in Washington State. It should include LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company. It should not include restricted words like bank, insurance, or trust unless approved. Of course, if you have a specific business name in mind and you want to check the availability, all you have to do is simple. Go to the Washington Secretary of State website, click on the corporations and charities, use the business search tool, enter your desired name. Now, if the name is available, you're good to move on. Optionally, you can reserve that desired LLC name for 180 days by submitting a name reservation form for a $30 fee, securing it while you prepare other documents. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. In Washington State, every LLC is legally required to have a registered agent. The agent must maintain a physical street address within Washington. PO boxes are not allowed. Of course, they are going to be the official contact. They receive all the legal documents, state notices, and any official correspondence on behalf of your business. Now, if you wanted to be a registered agent of yourself, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state legal requirements. You can also appoint someone you trust, like your friend, family member. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to create and form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. You can do this two ways. Number one option is by mail, and it is around $180, which takes around few business days. But what we highly suggest is to file it online because it's much faster. There is going to be a $200 fee. Online filings are usually approved within 2 to 5 business days. And all you have to do is simple. Go to the Washington Secretary of State online filing system, provide your LLC name, registered agent details, business address, and management structure. Now, after that is submitting your initial report. Let me tell you, after forming your LLC, you must file an initial report within 120 days to remain compliant. The good news is that filing is completely free, making it an easy and cost-effective requirement to complete early. With this, the report provides key business details, including your LLC's current address, and the updated member or manager information. Of course, you can always submit it quickly and securely online through the Washington Secretary of State portal in Washington. While Washington State does not legally require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended for every LLC because an operating agreement acts as the rulebook for your business and helps ensure smooth day-to-day operations because it defines management. This helps avoid confusion when making business decisions. Of course, it covers ownership and profits. This ensures everyone understands their financial stake in the business. Of course, with this, it dispute resolution procedures. An operating agreement helps prevent conflicts from escalating and protects relationships between members, and it defines member rights. Okay, so with this, it explains the rights of duties of each member as well as the process for leaving or transferring ownership, ensuring everyone's interests are protected. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is registering for your Washington State business licenses. Now, let me tell you, almost all LLCs operating in Washington are required to get a Washington State business license. So this step is very important because the state business license is a basic requirement for almost LLCs, and the initial application fee is just $19. And to be able to do this, all I have to do is go to the Washington Department of Revenue's Business List Licensing Service, which is going to be the main portal where you can register your business, manage your licenses, and take care of state requirements all in one place. Now, depending on where your business is located and what type of work you do, you may also need additional city or county endorsements. And of course, finally, remember, this isn't a one-time task. To stay in good standing, you'll need to renew your license annually and keep your records up to date with any required reports. Once that's done, you're officially licensed to operate in Washington State. Traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Washington. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Washington. And by following the correct steps, staying compliant with the state requirements, and keeping your business records organized, you can set your LLC up for long-term success. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.